Abejaron. As promised, today we will just going to watch a video. But before we proceed, I would like to ask you a question in order for me to know if you really listened well on what we've discussed yesterday. So, here it goes. What is meant by 21st century skills? Anyone from the class?
Ma'am!
Okay, Miss May, you may answer. The term 21st century skills is generally used to refer to certain core competencies that advocates believe schools need to teach to help students thrive in today's world. Wow, I can see that you've learned something from what we've discussed yesterday. Let's give her a round of applause, please. Okay, now let's proceed to video watching. But let me remind you guys that you must listen, watch, and understand well the video because afterwards, I will be going to ask you some questions. Am I clear?
Yes!
Okay, very good. So let's start. Hi, this is Mae Anne Abejaron and welcome to my video. You may heard by the 4 C's in 21st century learning: critical thinking and problem solving, communication, collaboration, creativity, and innovation. But how do these skills affect your teaching practice and student learning? And how does technology play a role in building these skills? Within the context of core knowledge instruction, students must learn the 4 C's. These competencies are essential skills for students to thrive in work and in life. Let's take a closer look at how digital tools can help foster these skills in students. Critical thinking refers to students' abilities to analyze, interpret, evaluate, make decisions, and solve problems.
For example, take a high school social studies class in which students are comparing society's use of fossil fuels in the past and in the present. In addition to online research, students can use video conferencing to conduct first-hand interviews with field experts. Students can use graphic organizers to organize and illustrate their findings, compare and contrast their data, and share with another.
Communication refers to students' ability to share information while expressing their thoughts and opinions clearly to others. Communication also requires a strong listening and evaluation skills in order to aid in collaboration.
For example, consider a 5th grade class in which students are learning about forest fires in their region. A local fire chief asks a question on a community site about fire prevention efforts. Students could post short written or audio responses to the issues, thereby engaging in an online conversation. Students learn to articulate their thoughts in a clear way while gaining a sense of agency for having a voice around larger community issues.
Collaboration refers to students' ability to work with others to accomplish a goal while being flexible and sharing group responsibilities.
For example, an 8th grade science class could work in small teams with other nearby middle school students to investigate local environmental issues. Students can assume different roles within their teams depending on their talents and interests. For instance, some can make observations, some can record data, and others can share out the results.
Creativity and innovation include abilities such as brainstorming, refining ideas, responsive to ideas from others, and making ideas tangible and useful to others.
For example, a 4th grade class might work together to brainstorm innovative ways to address recycling. Students decide to create a recycling campaign in the school, including a public service announcement video for an upcoming assembly.
So what do the 4 C's look like for teaching and learning in your classroom? Better to find that out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day! Okay, now that we're done watching, did you learn something from the video?
Yes.
Okay, that's good to hear. Now, let me ask you this question. Based on the examples given on the video, what can you conclude? Anyone from the class? Yes, Miss Anne? As what I can conclude from the example, that technology, when used strategically, can really enhance how you support the forces in your classroom. Wow, very good! Digital tools can help you students think critically, communicate, collaborate, and be creative. And we know these skills help foster higher order thinking, which is crucial for 21st century learning. I am very happy that we gained another knowledge today. Thank you for participating, guys, and class dismissed. Goodbye!